Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to swap out this drive belt and this idler pulley on my 2024 Toro My Ride 60-inch Max Havoc zero-turn mower, the Iron Forge cutting deck. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I can get some good shots of it because it's way up underneath the underside of the engine. So it's gonna be fun, but I'll try to get the shots. If I don't get good shots on the live and you just wanna watch me struggle, that's fine. Just go check out the other video that I'm filming with my GoPro right now. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Here we go. Enjoy the next. So I'm swapping this idler pulley out. You can see this was the good one here. This is the bad one. It's got this melted edge. It's kind of tapered out. And this ones are straight on both sides. So I'm gonna swap, this is the old one, I'm gonna get rid of it, put the new one in. Here we go. All right, everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. So that's how you change out a drive belt and an idler pulley on a big zero-turn mower. This one's a Toro again. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.